Good afternoon, my friends. Today I'm going to start to make a video about this my Audi A4 B5 with the Audi RS4 twin turbo body kit. It's been over a year. I had a few problems even after I brought the car. I took it to a mechanic in my town, and it took almost 6 months to put a crankcase breather. Really? It took so long, so I had to take the car to someone else. Financial, I don't have the money to fix the car. So if you got any advice there, or you can even give me a hand, let me know on the comments, guys. So if you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. I will be very grateful so I can continue making awesome videos. Now my car is losing, the battery is getting empty. I brought even a new battery a month ago. It's been 3 weeks. I didn't start the car. Every Friday I try to start the car and it's just dead. So something is just draining my battery. If you have any help or advice there, please let me know. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to do. One of my colleagues from work actually just arrived. He's gonna give me a hand. Maybe needs a fuel pump, so I will have to have a look. Maybe we'll disconnect actually the fuel hoses to see if there's any fuel coming. We'll have a look perhaps even at the plugs, etc. Nevertheless, guys, let's do this. I don't want to lose more time. This is still a easy engine, no electronics here. And I reckon what is missing around is something easy, but when you don't know, it's just...
How much fuel's in it?
It's got enough fuel, over a quarter.
Oh, it's fine.
So it's fine. It's not even on reserve. At least he started, but the last 3 weeks he never started. He didn't want to start at all. The car did start it. So strange, isn't it? For 3 weeks in a row, after I put actually a brand new battery, the car didn't want to start it. So I presume he needs a new fuel pump. But now he started. Really strange, unless she's delivering very slow or very small amount of petrol. I never hear the pump making any noises. Somebody told me it should make noises when you turn the key on. Is that right? Please let me know on this Audi A4 B5 1997. Very, very old, but what a beautiful car. I'm going to try to raise the suspension. Not today, not today. Because the guy who sold me the car just put the car completely down. He's on coilovers. I don't know what manufacturer. The last time I had a look, I couldn't even see it. So anyway, I put now the two front axle stands. I took some pressure off the wheel nuts. I'm going to remove the wheels. I'm going to put some WD-40. Why? Because the suspension actually has got lots of rust and some parts actually in a car. So I'm going to put loads. Why? Because tomorrow I will have a look if I can move the suspension up. I never done. I have been online, check it out, and I have found out more or less how to do it. So I presume you do need to measure both sides. Is all right? Please, if you think I'm doing wrong, please let me know on the comments, guys. I really appreciate it. So I'm going to take both front wheels, put WD-40, and wait until tomorrow. Guys, I don't know what coilovers are these ones. Is any of you recognize this? It comes with a yellow spring. I can't see no names, so I'm gonna put lots of WD-40 around here. I presume I need to undo this one. Is that right? And that push the spring up, so I'm presuming that is the only way I can raise up. Is it that true that I just do that an inch or 1 centimeter? And what I'm going to do is, because I got rust in some parts of the car, I will put it, because this is a 1997 car. But it's not too bad actually. Look at this top arm, actually it's okay. It's covered in dirt from the rain, from the road, but actually it's not too bad. Apart from there, yes, you can see the rust. So if you could help me or tell me what coilovers they are, these ones, because I can't see the name of this coilover, so I don't know how to research on internet. I can see the top, it's got some rust as well. Oh my goodness, so there you go. There's the project. I'm gonna put WD-40 like I said. I brought the big one. This is a 600, so it's over half a liter, and I'll put it on a suspension and some parts, and hopefully tomorrow I can start to raise up. Somebody actually told me I can't raise more than an inch, because if I raise an inch here, the bottom will be 4 inch at the top. Is that right? Well, I'm always learning. So I'm gonna end for today, guys. I'm very tired actually. The fact I have to put the car up, remove the wheels, disconnect the battery. The car did start it, but for the last month or so it didn't want to start it, so I presume it needed a fuel pump, and maybe still need it because it doesn't start 100%. If you have any advice or clues, please let me know. Even if you could give me a hand, I would appreciate that. I can't financial to be able to fix the car because I do travel a lot. But anyway, I'm gonna make now a few videos about my car, and I want to paint the wheels, I want to paint some parts of the car. Hopefully tomorrow I can start to raise the suspension up. Today I put some WD-40, I put in some parts where the car actually is very rusty. So it's good because WD-40 actually does the job. You can buy anti-rust products, but somebody even told me that WD-40, it does exactly the same. It does protect. This is an awesome car. I'm very proud of my car. I do like it. After I have the graphics on a car, the car just looks actually stunning. It's such a shame I can't drive it. I can't take it to shows because I can't afford financial. See, YouTube doesn't pay me thousands like some YouTubers. Nevertheless, I'm going to try to fix it by myself, and after that I'll put the car to a MOT. I don't know how long it's going to take me. Like I said, I want to paint the wheels, some parts of the cars, but first I need to do the suspension. I'm going to start with the front, and after that with the back. I will have to paint after that the wheels. I need to put new tires, and we go from there, guys. So hope you enjoy the video. Please let me know if I have done something wrong, or you need to be able to help me, because I would be so grateful. If you are new here, please like and subscribe, because you can help me to continue to make awesome videos. I'm very thankful, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.